going to be showing y'all my skincare routine because I was live and y'all was asking me like, hey, what is your skincare routine? So I'm going to show you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you know your girl got her hair did. You know what I mean? All of this is my hair, as you guys can see. But I did a whole vlog on it, so I'm going to be dropping it. But as I want to drop it, I'm also going to be showing y'all I've been using Medicube for a while, but I was using the mask, as you guys can see here. But I'm like, okay, this is working for me. Let me get that product. And they have a variety of different styles. When I say in styles, like they have different colors and different scented ones. And I end up getting the turmeric one, and I end up getting these ones, guys. And it comes in the kit. So I'm going to be basically opening them with you guys and showing you which one is my fave. And if you like it, you can let me know in the comments and I'll do a full care skin routine with you guys using these products. So I'm going to go on the camera and we're going to unbox this and I'm going to show you which one and which one is my favorite. So this is the first one, guys. This is the kojic acid turmeric pad. So I'm going to open it. So this basically is the pad that comes with it. Would basically used to, clean your face, any access, this is it. This is it. It comes with a clip where you can take off and, clean the pad. So this is very cute. This is the first one, guys. The next one I'm going to open with you guys. I'm tearing it because it comes with a tape and I don't feel like, getting the scissors and tearing it. This one is the wrap. I had this one before. I was using this one and I had another wrap. But this basically is another one. This is the night wrapping mask for nighttime. So I'm going to be doing two skincare routine. I'm going to do the daily skincare routine with you guys, and I'm going to do the nighttime skincare routine with you guys. So y'all gotta let me know in the comment which one do y'all want first, okay? So that one is that, and then we're gonna go in with this one, guys. This one is the toning cleanser. So these two go hand in hand. And because this one is the nighttime one, I'm gonna put that one over there. And then we're gonna go in with open up this one. This is the toner, guys. This is the serum. This is the serum. And last but not least, this is the resurfacing toner. It comes with the top where you can squeeze on your face, guys. Yeah, as you guys can see, this one is the toner, and then it comes where you can close it as well, put the top on. So this is the toner, this is the serum, this is the cleansing pad. I'm gonna move this out the way, and then this one is the cleanser, and then this is the nighttime mask, guys. So these are the sets, and this is so cute how it comes with this. So we got the toner, we got the pads, we got the night mask, so I'm gonna put right here. We got the cleanser, and I'm gonna put right there, and then we got the serum, and I'm gonna put right there, guys. So these are the products that I be using on my face. And if y'all want a full care routine, let me know down in the comments. If y'all want the night one first or y'all want a daytime one first, let me know. But my favorite out of these is the pads, guys, because it takes all the excess dirt off your face when you basically going to clean or wash your face. So this is my first step, and this one is my favorite. Then the next one, which is my favorite, is the cleanser. As you guys know, y'all fully watch me, y'all know that I use the Polar Choice. The Polar Choice, what I used to be using back in the day when I had my chemical peel for my face, and it always guaranteed with me. But when I end up getting into Metacube, this one worked for me, because I told you I was using this with the mask, and I showed y'all in the previous picture before this one, before I said that. So these two are my favorite, guys. And I just appreciative that I was able to get the whole kit. And if y'all interested, I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description for you guys to place your order. But y'all also want me to go on camera and blog my skincare routine with you guys, a full aspect, let me know down in the comments and let me know. But which one is your favorite? I didn't tell y'all that these two are mine right here. Which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments.
Same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around.